Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Thursday, the 23rd of July. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. What a beautiful day across the area for sure. Temperatures this afternoon are going to be right around the 80-degree mark. Very dry weather. I talked to a friend of mine up in Toronto yesterday. He was telling me that the temperature there was around 22 Celsius, which is in the mid 70s. And he was just loving it. And that air is here. It's a little warmer because the air moves from northwest to southeast. It does warm up this time of year as the sun impacts it, so not quite as cool as it is up in Ontario. Tonight we're going to be down in the 50s. A great night for sleeping. If you have not opened your windows up this morning, please do so. It is stunning out there, or will be once the sun gets up. Friday, sunny, temperature 80 to 85. Saturday, sunny, 80 to 85. Sunday, mostly sunny, upper 70s to low 80s, slightly cooler with the wind coming in off the water, but similar temperatures away from the coastline. And Monday, mostly sunny, 80s. We may see some showers early next week. And speaking of showers, Boston, I think the number, I haven't seen the official because it'll come out later, 3.43 inches of rain this month. Average is 3.27. No matter what, we're going to be above average for the month, and that'll be the first time since sometime last year, I think last March, that we had an above average monthly rainfall. So we may have made the turn in terms of the worst of the dry weather. We'll see. Unfortunately, this is tomato disease season, so I'm not really excited if it's going to get too wet, but we could use some rain. Have a great morning, everybody.